Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Eating garlic at this specific time of the day can help you cleanse your lungs. Eating garlic on an empty stomach causes many different opinions. You can often hear people say that it has very little effect, but there is no doubt that it is really very effective for preventing and curing different diseases. Why is it good to eat garlic on an empty stomach? The property of garlic show that eating it on an empty stomach makes it a powerful natural antibiotic. Bacteria are exposed and cannot defend themselves from succumbing to its power. Many conducted studies shows that it is more effective when you eat it before breakfast. Garlic is a relief for people who suffer from hypertension, and many people confirm that it also prevents heart problem and help in proper functioning of the liver and bladder besides being effective for circulation. It is also very effective for stomach problems like diarrhea. Some people claim that garlic on an empty stomach is very good remedy for nerve problem. At the same time, garlic is an effective method for many stomach problems. It stimulates digestion and appetite. Stomach acid that is usually produced when you get nervous is gone, and it also helps to control stress. Garlic is recognized in many places around the world for its various benefits. This is why it got its name as a healing vegetable many years ago. Garlic for alternative medicine. One of the most powerful food to help detoxify the body in alternative medicine, it is garlic. Garlic is so powerful that it can get rid of parasites and worms and prevent disease like typhus, diabetes, depression, and some types of cancers. Insist experts in this branch of medicine. People who are allergic to garlic should take two very important things into account. You should not eat it raw, and you should immediately stop consuming it if you get rash on your skin, increase in temperature, or a headache. Garlic can cause side effects in people that take medicine for HIV, AIDS. Have also shown some studies. Before you continue consuming it, you need to be very careful of this. We recommend that you don't stop getting its benefits just because it has a strong smell. It becomes unbearable and you cannot continue eating it. Taking natural supplements that can be found in the form of pills can help you take advantages of its benefits. Other benefits of garlic: garlic for respiratory disease. It is truly amazing for preventing and curing tuberculosis, pneumonia, catarrhs, bronchitis, chronic bronchial catarrhs, lung congestion, asthma, and whooping cough. Garlic should be consumed in the following way for tuberculosis. Eat an entire clove of garlic a day. Divide it in various portions that can be consumed in any way. It is better if the garlic is raw or slightly browned in the oven. You can also make a sauce with egg yolk and oil. You have to avoid boiling the garlic in this case because you will lose a lot of its medicinal properties. You can make a special infusion if you have any type of bronchial disease. You will only need 200 grams of garlic, 700 grams of refined sugar, and 1000 grams of water. Boil the water with garlic and then add the sugar. Drink 3 tablespoons of this infusion a day. You can prepare a garlic extract for chronic bronchitis. Put 40 grams of well-washed garlic cut into small pieces and 100 grams of nitri alcohol into a bottle. Let it soak for 5 or 6 days and then strain. Drinking a cup of this infusion every day is highly recommended. It can be also kept for a long time. For catarrhs and asthma, you can use the same preparation. Drink 50 to 30 drops in a little bit of hot water in this case. You can add a little bit of mint extract if you find the smell and taste of garlic very strong. This will change the curative power of garlic. Garlic cures hemorrhoid, constipation, and earaches. Boil water with a good amount of garlic and put the infusion in a container that will allow you to breathe its vapor in the case of constipation and hemorrhoids. Until the water gets cold, you can breathe in the vapor. Take out a little bit of juice from the garlic clove and put 1 or 2 drops in the painful ear for earaches. Remember, those who eat it frequently and regularly know that there are countless properties of garlic and benefits that it provides to your health. You can make your life healthier naturally by getting all the medicinal property of this healing food every day. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family members too.